I'm KHOU 11 Morning News anchor Kimberly Davis. Multiple sclerosis is a lifelong autoimmune disease that impacts the brain's spinal cord and optic nerves, which make up the central nervous system. It's a disease that affects nearly 1 million Americans. In our series with UT Physicians, a wife and mother of two is hoping to spread awareness about MS.
It began with tingling in my feet. Months later, had trouble walking.
After visiting her primary physician about her symptoms, doctors did an MRI which showed the lesions on Charlene Tony's brain.
And so I was diagnosed with MS, and it was shocking.
Charlene has secondary progressive multiple sclerosis. The disease causes the immune system to eat away at the protective covering of nerves, which disrupts communication between the brain and the body. It sounds brutal, and for the nearly 1 million people across the country who have MS, it is a tough disease. But there is hope on the horizon. Charlene is receiving a treatment as part of a clinical trial in Houston that involves an injection every 6 months. She and her doctor believe it's helping.
Very specifically gets rid of one part of the immune system.
Dr. John Lindsay with UT Physicians is Charlene's neurologist. He's involved in several clinical trials that test new treatments for MS, like the drug Charlene is taking.
And that has been very effective in slowing down relapsing MS and also had some benefit for progressive MS.
And slowing down the disease is the goal for now, while research continues on the root cause of MS.
To cure MS, we would need to better understand what causes it, and I think we're making progress on that.
So, as science advances, Charlene is hopeful.
There's a hope. It's not the end of the world, and you're going to be fine. And in the days that you feel like, I just can't do this anymore, and you just want to curl up and cry, and then get up and do what you need to do.
To learn more about MS resources available and the clinical trials going on in Houston, go to this story on khou.com/healthmatters. For KHOU 11, I'm Kimberly Davis.